Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best impact drivers that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the DeWalt DCF887N 18V Li-ion XR Brushless Cordless Impact Driver. US tool giants DeWalt have nearly a century of experience making all sorts of power tools for trade as well as DIY applications. The DeWalt DCF887N Impact Driver joins DeWalt's XR family of powerful 18-volt cordless tools. Finished in DeWalt's iconic yellow and black, this is a rugged and capable piece of kit. Surrounded by acres of thick rubberized plastic, the handle is comfortable to hang on to. It also feels like it's built to withstand the expected knocks and drops that face a tool of this type. Despite its compact design, the technical specification of this DeWalt impact driver is impressive. The high-power brushless motor puts out 3,250 revolutions per minute, it produces 3,800 IPM at the business end, and has a maximum torque of 205 Newton-meters. Even though the stats on this DeWalt impact driver aren't the highest, DeWalt's solid build quality and range of tools make this one of the best impact guns on the market right now. Just don't forget that this doesn't come with batteries or a charger. Moving on at number 4, we have the Inco 20 volts brushless impact driver kit. Tool manufacturer Inco are responsible for all sorts of engineering and DIY kit. Selling everything from welding equipment to lawnmowers, they also make an excellent 18-volt impact driver starter pack. Featuring two 2.0Ah batteries and charger, a carry case and 5 attachments, there's everything you might need, right here, at a very reasonable price. In fact, this is the best budget impact driver on my list. Starting with the impact gun's design, it's compact and well-balanced. It has a decent grip with plenty of rubber on it to help keep vibrations down to a minimum. It comes with a bright LED work light and a useful belt hanging hook on the bottom as well. The 20-volt maximum battery system powers the brushless motor up to 3,300 IPM and puts out a reasonable 170 Newton-meters of torque. The only slight letdown is the sluggish 2,100 revolutions per minute maximum speed. What makes up for this slight shortfall is the size of this kit. The 2 batteries mean you can reduce your downtime, and you get 2 driver bits and 3 nut drivers too. At number 3, we have the Makita DTD153Z 18 volts Li-ion LXT brushless impact driver. Japanese tool firms don't get much bigger than this. Still an independent business, they put quality first and let the other brands make the throwaway stuff. One of the best impact drivers I've had a chance to use, the Makita DTD153Z, is incredibly well made, powerful, and easy to use. Sporting a hugely powerful brushless motor, this is a compact little driver that hides an enormous amount of raw power. Having all this power in your hand doesn't mean you're held back by cables though. This impact driver is driven by an 18-volt battery. The motor on board gives this driver an unbeatable maximum no-load speed of 3,400 revolutions per minute, RPM, and an impressive 3,600 impacts per minute, IPM. To drive home even the biggest screws, you get 170 Newton-meters, Nm, of torque to play with as well. Weighing in at 1.3 kilograms without the battery, it's a well-balanced and solid little machine. It's much easier to handle than an ordinary cordless drill, and thanks to Makita's TPE-covered ergonomic handle, it's comfortable too. Just remember, this is a bare power tool that doesn't come with batteries. At number 2, we have the Milwaukee M18FID 0M18FID 018-volt fuel impact driver. One of the biggest power tool brands to come across the pond, Milwaukee has a long history and a huge reputation for making some of the best impact guns on the market. Decked out in Milwaukee's recognizable red and silver color scheme, the Milwaukee M18FID is a seriously powerful piece of kit, and what we consider to be the best cordless impact driver on the UK market. Built with professional tradespeople in mind, this driver makes up part of Milwaukee's M18 fuel range. Their tough and feature-packed battery power tools are there to help get the job done. With a maximum 3,000 revolutions per minute, massive 3,700 IPM, and class-leading 203 Nm torque, this is an awesome tool to put in your hand. Featuring a potent power-state brushless motor, this driver is the only one on my list that boasts 4 different torque levels for ultimate control, whatever the task is in front of you. It can be hard to control some impact guns, so this is a welcome feature. And finally at number 1, we have the Wesco Brushless Impact Driver Kit. Dependable budget tool brand Wesco make a whole range of decent DIY level tools that deliver plenty of power without breaking the bank. This Wesco Impact Driver Kit comes with a whole range of useful bits and nut drivers, as well as a kit bag, charger, and 18-volt battery. The first thing you'll notice about this impact driver is the excellent grip shape and generous amounts of rubberized plastic on the driver body. It should be easy to hang on to and protected against rough handling. The high-power brushless motor puts out an impressive 3,200 revolutions per minute and makes 3,600 IPM as well. Not bad for an inexpensive tool like this. The 180 Nm of torque isn't class-leading, but it's plenty for most DIYers and even pros. What makes this one of the best impact driver kits though is the generous helping of bits and nut drivers included. There's enough there to get on with most jobs around the home or garden.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.